Welcome to On the Fridge. My name is Andrew, and I was a lead programmer for this project. I'm not sure if Ayub's here, but I'm just going to say that Ayub is also one of our lead programmers for this project. And next we have Aisha and Nazneen, who helped with the presentation wise, and they also helped give ideas for the app itself.
So Chicago students have a diverse and powerful skill set, and many of them create innovative and solution projects in their respective communities that do not get the respect they deserve. Young innovators need motivation and support in order for them to continue being creative. However, as we all know, social media is not a safe place for kids to upload their creative work without being criticized.
Teens can feel embarrassed or even sometimes overwhelmed by the idea of sharing their lives, as well as at the drama and how people can criticize them. But as much as there are cons, we have to acknowledge there's also benefits. According to official PRC data from 2022, most students feel that social media is a place where they can be creative, feel supported, and accepted. So really, how can we maintain the benefits while also avoiding the downsides? Introducing On the Fridge. Our dynamic and animated app will allow these students to share their accomplishments through a safe and innovative posting system, similar to a parent putting their child's drawings on the fridge. Apps like LinkedIn don't require users to verify who they are, and yet they allow these strangers to connect with each other and message one another. We don't believe in that. Through limiting the comment section to only buzzwords and approved user-generated stickers, we allow that connection to one another, but also ensuring that young adults are safe when sharing their passions. They are inspired by each other and share that through buzzwords such as cool or awesome. We balance between creative features to connect users while also keeping the space necessary to ensure their safety.
Unique features in our app. For example, our marketplace, we have custom emotes you can either buy or hit the like goals. And we also have the premium side of our app. You can also buy from the marketplace, as well as you can unlock a check badge by your name. And we're also working on changing the colors on the background of the app once you buy the premium version as well. And in the left side, as you can see, we have the genre side or the category side, where you can find categories like food, music, tech, and other users' profiles or your friends' profiles as well.
The general structure of our app is allowing @edu email suffixes to create an account. Then students can post with an image/description, which is similar to Instagram but safer. Once they turn 18, they can convert @edu email to personal emails. They can still have access to all their posts. By doing this, students can share their creativity without being criticized. They can also share their achievements to future job interviews. Outside users can only view through guest mode, not allowing them to interact or comment.
You might have noticed something peculiar about our app. The special thing is that it actually works. Everything you've seen so far reacts to real account data. There's no razzle dazzle or Google Slides presentation. It's our promise to you that we take our message very seriously. Of course, you can see on my screen right now, our code is very simple, readable, and fluid, so that when we expand our app, it's much easier to do so. This is only a little snippet of our main hub. It's that set of tabs seen in the first video and also in the image to the right. Each one is passed information about users and posts from JSON files in a manner that is very safe and easier for developers to change. Here, we have our user and post data in raw form. It saves comments, usernames, and more. All this information is translated into individual post structures, user structures, and more, so that complex data can be broken down, simplified into variables we can safely reference in our code. In the future, we plan to have all this data stored separately from the app, as we take very seriously the cybersecurity of sharing information online. This could be through different cryptographic techniques such as encryption and more. Here is an instance of how this information is passed through. For instance, the post view. which is passed in user and post data in order to provide the user image, the date posted, post image, likes, comments, and more. Our app then passes all the information from the users and posts for the selected category and creates a list of those different post views for that selected info.
Comment list view is a part of our mobile app that shows comments for each post. Each comment includes commenter's profile picture, username, and the actual comment text. Some comments can be stickers comments where instead of an image shows an icon. The image arranges all comments in a list with the latest comment on top. Profile view. Our profile displays user information, including username, profile picture, description, post count, and likes count. We also have user info, user stats, profile picture, user type, and users posts. Search view. Below the search bar, there are buttons for different categories like art, tech, food, etc. When the user taps on one of these buttons, the app switches to the first tab and shows posts only from selected categories. And only you can search those categories. You can also search for your friends' profiles and other profiles.
And of course, there's many other options with our code. It's some thousand lines of code, and we just wanted to snip it down so that you can all understand it pretty easily.
In the future, we would like to add an augmented reality feature. That way we can view students' posts in a 3D format. We would also like to add a real section where community events taking place for students are easily viewed and accessible.
We would also like to add a resume builder option where students can build up their resumes over time. Also animated stickers and emotes to make commenting more fun.
Let's recognize students' creativity by putting it on the fridge. Thank you. Any questions?